Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about setting up your devices, so that's your cameras, asset trackers, what have you. So we're going to head over to our admin tab. Again, as the name suggests, you need to be an admin in order to have access. And we're going to head over to the devices sub-tab. And we're going to go ahead and here's a list of all of our devices that are currently on the system. So that'd be any one of your cameras, your asset trackers, whatever you may have. Now, when you purchase a new device from us, we will automatically add it to your database. So all you'll have to do is just go in and rename it, place it in whatever group it needs to be in, etc. And we just give it the name of the serial number. So this is kind of what it will look like. So then you can come in, find it, click the edit button, and then go ahead and give it a name, whatever name it might be, assign a driver to it, put it in the appropriate groups, add the VIN number, engine hours and odometer. Those will be starting to be added, or started to be collected once the device goes out and starts driving. So then what you can do is then go ahead and maybe update the current odometer and the engine hours if you know it. That way it can the camera can take care of the rest and start updating it on its own afterwards. Geotab serial. So if your truck also has a geotab device, then you can put the geotab serial in there, which will link the two. And then the GPS on the map will then be taken from the geotab rather than the camera. And we have our last communicated and date added. Now tracker type, it all depends on which device you have there. So if it's a smart witness, you'll leave it as a smart witness. If it's a Z6, you'll make it a ZenduCAM SS camera. And as you can see, if it's mobile dispatch, you'll have mobile dispatch, and we have a whole bunch of other ones for our asset trackers. So if you're setting this up and you're not quite sure which device you should be having under tracker type, please feel free to contact your sales or support agent, and they'll be able to let you know. And that's basically it. You'll click everything and click save, and your device will now be ready to be used. And you'll notice there's no delete button. So if you need to remove the device from your database, you'll need to contact us, and we'll have to do it for you. And that's all we have for setting up your devices. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.